Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to plot multiple sheets of data on one graph in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First open your Google spreadsheet, then select your data, go to Insert tab, Chart and change chart type, choose line chart or again see the change line chart on, line chart 2, customize legend, position auto inside, right side, left side, bottom side, top, or use none or auto. Then series, apply to all series or use a specific series. Example, use apply to all series, error bars, data labels, or you can use a specific example, use a specific product C, then apply error bars, data labels, trend line, OK, and change the color, choose the line, use change color, OK. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.